So this is the process. He God and not dead. God cannot be dead. This is all foolishness. God is there. How you can conceive? How you can perceive that God is not dead? There is sufficient symptom that God is not dead. Just like your body, if you are breathing, if your bodily functions are working nice, if there is blood, and if you are feeling, thinking, willing nicely, will the doctor say that you are dead? No. He'll say, no, all the symptoms of life are present there. So, he is not dead, he is alive.